Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by selecting the right template for your goal. Pick chronological for steady work history or functional for skills focus. Once chosen, gather concise contact info, a 2-sentence summary, dates, job titles, and key achievements before you edit. Make sure to save a copy immediately as your name CV. Docx so you can revert if needed. This prevents accidental overwrites. Now, open the copy in Word and locate the editable placeholders. You're ready to replace them with your... You should now replace each placeholder with concise, measurable content. Use bullets with action verbs and figures like increase sales 30%. Once done, adjust layout to fit one page if possible. Modify margins, font size, and line spacing while keeping readability. Make sure to apply word styles consistently. Heading 1 for your name, heading 2 for section titles, and normal for body text so navigation and formatting stay uniform. Also, align dates to the right and keep section order logical for your target role. You finish by proofreading and running words spelling and grammar checks. Read the CV aloud to catch awkward phrasing. Once polished, export to PDF to lock formatting and test the PDF on another device to confirm layout holds. If a recruiter needs the docx, keep that copy too. If formatting breaks, fonts shift, spacing jumps, reset styles, or paste your clean text into a fresh copy of the template and reapply styles. This usually resolves hidden formatting glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.